Hello, hello, I'm back. Okay, so what I found from the textbook and from a couple Googling suggests that when you pick your BN, and as you pick your BN, you correctly, by the way, get a limit where it comes out to zero, and that disqualifies the comparison test. That means you basically picked the wrong BN, which now that I read that, of course, it's like, well, duh. But I did get a little lost in the sauce. Like, that kind of doesn't track. But if you, because technically, it's basically saying if this and this, then all of this. Well, I didn't satisfy this part of the if, so therefore I can't even check this. So now I need to make sure I satisfy that part of the if. Now what I'm gonna do is in a different color. I'm gonna pick the BN I did use. I did read somewhere that what you're supposed to do is isolate the biggest term. I sort of here I was like, okay, well, let's get rid of this noise. So like, let's get rid of the noise here and let's just pretend we're dealing with these fractions. That'd be a lot easier. So the strategy of these is just gonna depend on your algebra skills. So Bn is 7n. So we write from here 3 over 7n plus 2n times 7n. I'm going to do the same trick where I factor out the 7n. 1 plus 2 over 7nn. Here, you can see what's going to happen where we have the limit to infinity of 3 over 1 plus 2 over 7n. And we know that if we evaluate this limit on the bottom, that you'll get 3. Or here, I'm just going to copy and paste this notation. Over here, 1 plus 2 over 7n. That will just go to 0. So you have 3 times 1 over 1 plus 0, which is all just going to be 3, which is not equal to 0. So then, because it does not equal 0, via the limit comparison test, our sum also converges. Oh, I didn't say that here. Yeah, well, because if you do this, 1 over 7n, you could rewrite it as 1 over 7, and this is in our geometric series instance where we can see that as this guy repeats, because r is 1 over 7, it converges. Okay. Alright, and that's going to be your answer. This is making me think a lot about how your test is going to go. I may have to be more guided than I had anticipated, which benefits everybody, but still. Okay, that's going to wrap up today's lecture. I'm going to do the group work video next, or I mean the worksheet video next, and I will see you all there. Bye, everyone.